Hi, this is Michael Lewis. I'm with Kramer Electronics, and today I'm at the Dallas E4 show that's being promoted by Exertis Almo. We have many products here at Kramer. Kramer has become an end-to-end solutions company. And let me give you a few examples of that. Right here you're looking at our MV-4. It's a 1x4 switcher and also quad splitter. And what's beautiful about it is how fast the switching is. If you just point that camera to the display, you can see that when I switch between inputs, there's no glitches, no delays, and it's just a beautiful product that can be a quad splitter or a 4x1 switcher. We also have new USB-C extenders because we feel USB-C is going to be a tremendous growth for the industry because we have full features of products with USB-C as well as our cables. We also have wireless collaboration products, scalers, distribution amplifiers, and let's not forget Kramer Control Room Control, which all you have to do is go to Kramer Academy and you can become Kramer Control certified. So for more information and to get your hands on any of these exciting products or demos, you can contact me or you can go to your nearest Almo representative. Thank you very much, and don't forget to check out kramerAV.com. Thank you.